Hello everyone, it's your boy rickodebest, and in this video I will be doing an unboxing on this Taramps Procharger. So let's get started. So I'm just going to cut this seal. So first thing we have here is the manual, and we have a decal from Taramps Electronics, so you could stick that on your glass or wherever. So this is the manual. It's in Brazil and it seems to be in English also, and they show you how you could connect these to charge your battery. Alright, so let's get straight into it. We have the charger right here, and it comes wrapped in a plastic. It's pretty small. Also, the weight of it is not that bad. So there you have it. It also carries another plastic up top here, so I'll just remove that. And this Procharger is a 60 amp. On this side of it, it carries your battery output, and you have your voltage adjuster, so you could adjust it from 12.4 volt to 14.5 volts. On this side here we have a fan, and this support 220 and 120. It comes with the Brazilian plug, so if you need an US plug you'll have to get the adapter, or you could actually cut this off and put a US plug on it. I do have an adapter for it. Also right here it says volts. There is like a LCD screen in which it tells you the voltage you set this device to, and there's supposed to be a light here when it's powered to show that it's on. So I'm gonna get this connected up and show you guys what it will look like. Okay guys, so I have removed the zip tie from the cable, and I have two adapters here with me. I'm going to show you the difference, because at first I took up this one and I thought I had the wrong one because it just don't fit. So if you look on both of them, you'll notice that this one got the holes. So if you're getting an adapter to fit the Brazilian plug, please ensure that it got these two holes so the plug will fit. So there it is. So I'm gonna plug it in, so I get my extension, and then I'm gonna plug it right in. And as soon as I plug this in, you could hear that fan spinning instant while I plug it in, and there's a power light, a blue light indicating that it's on, and we have 12.1 volt. So if I should turn the adjuster up, you see the voltage going up. So I'm going to turn it all the way up, and we're at 14.5 volts. So that's nice from Taramps. You could actually adjust the voltage to suit your application. Alright guys, so we're gonna go through some of the features of this Procharger, which is listed on the box. So here we have the input voltage, and it can be using 127 220 volts, and this is the voltage input for 127. So you have 90 to 140 volts, and in 220 application, the voltage input is 190 to 240. This Procharger, which is that one you're looking at right there, is a 60 amp, and the maximum output power rating is 860 watt. Maximum input current 127 volt is 11 amp. The maximum input current at 220 volt is 9 amp, and the maximum float at 60 amp 14.2 volt is less than 5%, and the eternal fuse is a 10 amp fuse. The output voltage is between 12.4 volts to 14.5 volts, and this is the dimension of the Procharger, and that's 7.16 times 2 times 8.86. The actual weight of this device is 4 pounds. So there you have it, guys. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do, I want you to like it, share it, comment, and remember to subscribe. And I will be putting a link down below in this video, so if you're interested in purchasing this, just check the description for the link. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.